Imagine getting hundreds of business leads automatically without spending hours searching Google Maps. In today's video, I will show you how I build a complete lead generation workflow using n8n Apify Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up a system that scraps leads, extracts email, and even send automatic outreach all on automation. Okay, so this is a live demo of our AI agent. So first of all, we have to check the sheets, and as you can see in the sheet there are 4 code, but no problem, AI agent will clear this because I add this function here. Okay, so how this agent run? You just have to press this button, execute workflow, and after that it will show you the pop-up window for putting the details. Okay, in the keywords, let's suppose we put the gym, and in the location we put the Dubai, and the number of lead we put that 10, and you just have to press this submit button and AI agent will do rest. Okay, so as you can see, out of the 10 it will successfully scrap the 4 emails and did not scrap the 6 because these are the not scrapables, so that's why. Now let us check the sheet. If you can see the sheet, and here you can see all the details related to that business. Okay, so now we also have to check our draft box, and no problem, you can also save into the draft, and you can also directly send this email to your leads. If you want to directly send the message instead of the draft, and you just have to change the resource from draft to the message, then it will send the message. Okay, as you can see here, so these are the draft for gym. As you can see here, so this is the email, and this is a subject, and this is all the detail related to that business. So you submit input via form, then after that it will scrap the map data, clean the information, curl websites, extract email addresses, log leads into the Google Sheets, have AI compose a personalized message, and then send the email automatically. Okay, so in the first step, we start with a simple form. Here the user type in their keyword like hotel or gym, their location like New York, USA or Dubai, and how many leads they want. This will trigger the workflow automatically. Next, the workflow sends the data into the Apify Google Maps Scraper. This scraper fetches business details from Google Map, including title, address, website, phone, reviews, and more. No more manual search. Okay, so for this, so here is a scraper, and you just have to click on this first link. Then this link will open, and you have to press this integration button and scroll down all the way, and you see this option, use API endpoint. You just have to open this. You just have to press this copy button here, then go back to your n8n and open this, and you have to paste that link on here. After that, you have select this method for the post, and now we also have to put this JSON code here. So for that, you have to close this, scroll up and go to your input section, and as you can see here, we have the options for the searching by keyword, and then location, then number of leads. So for that, you have to copy this JSON code here, and you have to put that JSON code on here. So after that, it will show like this. As you can see here, location query Dubai, and number of places 10, and here is keyword for the gym. So after that, it will give us result like this. As you can see on the right side, title, category name, address, website, rating, total reviews, URL of that business. Once we have the raw data, we clean it up with set field node. Here I am keeping only these title, address, website, phone number, rating, total reviews, map URL, and the email address. And now comes the looping. With the loop our item node, we process each lead one by one. This makes sure every business gets properly scrapped and checked. In the step 5 and the step 6, after getting all the websites here in the step 5, as you can see here, we put only the websites here. The workflow automatically visits each one with the HTTP request node. This pulls the new raw HTML code of the site, then headers like user agent and accept are added to avoid anti-bot detection. This step converts plain text URL into real usable website data. Okay, now in step 7, now we extract email using a simple code node. If an email exists, it gets stored in Google Sheet with all the business detail. If not, the system skips to the next lead. This ensures every valid lead is saved automatically. Okay, so in the step 8, finally the workflow passes the data into the AI agent, which is connected to the OpenAI. It generates a personalized email for each business using their information. As you can see in the system prompt, I provided the tags here. Then after that, it will send that email through the Gmail. That's the full automation from scrapping to outreach. And that is it, a complete lead generation automation system built inside n8n. It scraps lead from Google Map, extract emails, save them on Google Sheet, and even send outreach email automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the Harris Hustle, and drop a comment if you want workflow file. Until next time, automate smart and hustle harder.